The fastener division of Avery Dennison has been around for over 50 years. We're that company that invented the fastener. It's used in packaging. It can be used to attach price tickets to your garments. You name it, and a plastic fastener can hold it together. Sustainability is really part of our ethos, and it's been part of our ethos ever since Stan Avery started the company 80 years ago. When we looked out to the future, we said, what is it that we can do that's really good for the environment and for the people, and really moving not just our industry forward, but moving the entire business community forward.
D'Addario has a long history in the music business. My family has been making musical instrument strings all the way back to 1680 in Italy.
Avery Dennison and D'Addario have very similar philosophies on sustainability. We really want to do the right thing while running a good business. And you don't have to sacrifice one for the other.
In the late 80s, I was changing strings on my bed, and when I finished the set of strings, it was a big mess of envelopes and cut strings and packaging materials. My middle daughter, Amy, who's now director of brand, said, you got to do something about the packaging because this is ridiculous. We came up with a way of reducing the packaging 75%.
Through one of our valuable distributors, TexPack, we were actually able to bring everything together for D'Addario, where we could easily switch out their blister pack and clamshells to the Avery Dennison's IndES Elastic Staple System.
When we came across the Avery Dennison system, we saw that we can really save on the use of single-use plastic in our packaging.
It's stretchable, it's pliable, it can be used to hold accessories, and it very easily replaces blister packs and clamshells. We've managed to take about 99% plus of the plastic away and create a packaging where the consumer can actually touch and feel the product that's being sold.
This is a great example of how we've been able to use the Avery Dennison stapling system. I mean, this is what
that's the old one there,
old
right?
package looked like. And before this, we used to use a clamshell, which was even worse. You could get to touch it. You can actually see how much force you need to open and close that capo. You couldn't do that in the plastic package before.
You've got these little staples, you can just rip it off and they can use it immediately. And
Yeah.
so their experience right from the beginning is a positive one.
This solution, I think, is very innovative. I think people recognize that innovation, and we get a lot of positive comments from people saying, you know, I really love your packaging. It's great. It has a small environmental impact. And it's just a growing relationship. I see us doing even more of our packages this way.
D'Addario is constantly pushing us to innovate, but it's a good thing. Every time constraints are put on the innovation process, you tend to get better innovation. And by working with each other, the end product is always going to be a better product. Sustainability is up to all of us. One person can make a huge difference, and if everybody realizes that they can make a difference, then collectively all of us are going to make a huge, huge difference.